back again, you know. All the boy here making chow today, boy. Tell another self. Some nice Julie mango. We don't cut it already, so we're just gonna shave it in some cubes. Cubes, like long like chips. Yeah, and make a trini chow. Yeah, so stay tuned and get the chow just now. Yeah, people, so we're back here again in the chow. See, I cut up the mango. So we have pepper, some on garlic, a little bit of seasoning, and some salt. Yeah, so when I mix up everything, sure, this is true that. True that. True some salt. Yeah. More salt? Them like salt here, boy. Good. I'm telling you, them people love our salt. Why were all of them are high blood pressure? Yeah, so cut up the pepper. You know we love we pepper. We love it. I put some here for the kids too, you know. Kids don't really like pepper too. They say that good, that good. Alright, so we cut it up a little thinner. I know we lady have all that. Mixing, Trini style, watch me. Mix it up. See all the seasoning and the nice colors with the pepper and the seasoning and thing. They take out the taste. You don't know. Sweet. We outside now, so we're going right in the back of my dad's house here, right there. I'll show you something nice. Stay tuned.
I'm a ride to the end. Baby, I'm a ride for you, ride for you. Baby, I'm a die for you, die for you.
Yeah guys, so this is it here. A little troublesome to get to, but I mean, see, pretty peaceful. Yeah, so if you guys want me to come back and make a video here, set some fish traps, throw some lines, yeah, smash that like button. I'll let you make it happen. Yeah, another bushy area, but so remember to like, subscribe and share. Peace. Love in the house.